home. We're in a little tiny pond on our way to a slightly bigger pond that way. Cows like the high country. It's a beautiful day, lots of wildflowers. Nobody around.
We're going camping, and meantime Connor is getting ready with the stuff that we are bringing. I'm getting ready with my part. So every time that we go camping and we can bring the truck, I bring my Pelican case with all my equipment, which I'm gonna transfer from this one to this one, and this one, my Atlas backpack. Just because if we go hiking, so I have all my equipment with me just in case if I need it, and I have a hiking backpack with me. Right, Mama? And we are gonna get ready now. See, getting ready. So let's do this, shall we? So this is my favorite lens right now. I go through phases. It's a 24 millimeters, 1.4 GM. Ta-da! Favorite lens of today. Hey guys, so we are going camping for just one night and we brought the children, so let's see what we can find, right? Follow us. So we are really very excited. This is the place where we are gonna camp. Hey children. Hey Lowls. Oh goodness, there's shit ton of bugs. Look at them, Connor. some birds that are on the water. I don't know what they are because they are kind of far away. So wish me luck. And if not, we are at a beautiful place. Huh? Connor is fishing on the background. So guys, I got my leg on the mud. I can't get out. And there's the hero coming. Slowly but surely. But there's my hero. What's up?
Ain't no fish in this pond.
Ain't no fish in this pond.
See the marble?
Let's see. Looks weird. Look at that. A blue dragonfly. Doing something.
Curlews, ducks. Not a person though.
I don't know where I'm going.
She doesn't know where she's going. Doesn't matter. Who needs to know? Let's watch her.
Oh goodness, this is madness.
Go where the cows go. Can you see her?
What's that?
Can you see her?
Can you see me? I'm a little tree. I'm a walking tree.
Sorry guys. Mosquito time. Hey. Path of least resistance. Always the path of least resistance. Rolls with you?
See, Lowe's is behind me. Come on, Lowe's. She's following my steps. Mosquito time here. Look, it's taller than me. Come on, Lowe's. We did it, Lowe's.
Hey! And look who's decided to join us.
Hi. Lena. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Mama. Hey, Mama. Hello. Are you having fun?
Having a blast.
Me too. Me too. Me too. So Kwachi's in the fire pit, and apparently Lila found her spot. Right? Apparently, she's very comfy. She's a princess. She doesn't like to lay on the dirt. She really doesn't. Mosby and we are taking photos of the view. What? And here is Connor. So guys, not a bad view, right? Not a bad view at all. Oh my goodness. I love this place. What you doing? Perfection. Good morning, guys. I hope that you sleep better than us. My feet were cold all night and I couldn't sleep, but oh well. It's the joy of camping. I'm heading towards the lake, and wish me luck, because yesterday I saw them but they were very far away, so wish me luck. So guys, I don't know if you can see, but you can hardly see the truck. Tons of mosquitoes. I'm having a bowl of tea. We forgot to pack my mug, so I'm having a bowl of tea. Gonna prepare it. And I'm having it on this beautiful place. So, no complaints. In the meantime, I'm preparing breakfast. Connor is getting ready to leave. Oh,
Hey guys, we had a lovely time camping. Always remember to pack it in and pack it out. Leave no trace. It was beautiful. We really appreciated this place. Continue to appreciating places like this for the rest of our life. Right, baby?
remember to subscribe to our channel.